Hi everybody, my name is Gingy. I'm from Queensland, Australia, and I'm just here to show you my latest project. So I'll start by showing you the box. This is my latest project. It's a exploding box which I got inspired by a couple of girls off YouTube. A lot of people off YouTube actually that inspired me to make this. Theirs was a lot smaller, and this one is made with 12 by 12 inch pages, scrapbook pages. So this, I'll begin with reading you my little poem that I wrote. It's made for my little step granddaughter for her first birthday and for her mother so that they can use it for while she's growing up. It starts off by saying, I will tell you a story and begin at the start. When you were in my belly, I wished with my heart. I made a wish with my heart. And then you turn the wheel and the little fairy blows sparkles. And then down here it'll tell you to go to which way to go. It also has a little key and lock for the gate. But we'll go this way and see what else it says. I would have a beautiful little princess with gorgeous blue eyes and dark curly hair in pigtails and pink ties. Sign that says this way again. This one you open up and you continue reading, and says, then you were born and I got a wonderful surprise because you had the most amazing blue eyes. You had the curly dark hair and an infectious little grin. You are my complete package, so now the journey can begin. Once again, it's telling us to go this way. I'm just going to close this back up because it'll be in my way when I open the box. So we're turning. And the last side says, every day is another chance to make your dreams come true. And it says, end of the road. So we go there, and it says this way, which tells me I've got to open the lid. All the flowers were handmade by me, by the way, most of them anyway. I'll just put that down there. We undo the ties, and then it opens up to a beautiful, enchanted little garden. The box has Willow's name on it, which is my step-granddaughter. It has beautiful butterflies that float around, and this disc here has words on it like cheers, believe, hope, dream, trust, and it actually turns. And I had a little teddy bear that I put in there for her first birthday, but they can use it to put all their little knickknacks in while she's growing up. Now all the pages have beautiful little pockets, which when you pull out the sleeve comes out with a frame that also has another pocket that you can, I'll just put this down here, see if I can do it, pull out, and you cut the photo to the size, and then you stick the photo back on top and you put it back in the pocket. and there's a lot of room there for journaling as well, and plenty of photos while she's growing up. So I'll try and go around this way to get a good view. There's more journaling there, room for journaling, and this page has room for more photos. This also comes out to put the photo on. And there's another one there for photo. And then we'll go around here to this one. They also come out for photos to go on. And more there. Another photo. Journaling. More photos here. In this pocket, photo. And more journaling on that one. The flowers, those flowers I actually bought and stuck on. But these leaves, those flowers, these ones were all handmade by myself. And this is my first upload onto YouTube, so if you like it, you can make a comment. I'm hoping that everyone will like it and get some inspiration to make their own. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.